New developments tonight in the Flint mayoral race. A court has taken action on a lawsuit filed by City Councilman Eric Mays. It has been only 24 hours since he filed the suit. Now a judge says Mays can look through signatures he turned in to see if some of them that were deemed invalid are actually now valid. NBC 25's Kelly Taylor live in Flint. She tells us what this could mean now for the mayoral race.
Bill, I'm at City Hall where I just spoke with Councilman Mays, and he says he's not exiting the mayoral race without a fight. Now, a judge granted him permission to inspect the signatures he turned in to see if he can come up with about 50 valid signatures he submitted before the April deadline. And if he does, he'd be the only name on the primary ballot again. The clerk's office says Mays turned in 852 valid signatures on his petition. That's just short of the 900 needed to qualify. Mays told me he wanted to double check because he knew some were valid, and that is what prompted his lawsuit. Now he has to coordinate a time and date with both the city clerk and attorney to sit down and inspect the 1,000 plus signatures he turned in. He told me he's only looking for a few dozen to get back on the ballot, and if he doesn't find them, legislation sponsored by State Senate Minority Leader Jim Ananick and State House Representative Sheldon Neely would serve as a backup to keep him in the race.
Because if I don't find 48, I think that's the right remedy. If I do find 48, then I think that the bill was a little premature and I should still be the only one on the ballot in November.
Now, Mays says he also turned in additional signatures after the city clerk's deadline, so those would be counted if the bills to extend the election deadline are both passed. And the city did decline to comment on Mays' lawsuit. Live in Flint, Kelly Taylor, NBC 25 News.